Okay, hello everyone. This is gonna be the second tutorial for NSEAM. We at the end of the first tutorial we stopped here, creating a new model. So in order to create a new model, you have to put the name of your model here, and we already talked about the tags, research area, modeling method, and so on. So the important things here is that if you want to share your model, you have to share your model with other user of the NSEAM. You have to check the public model, otherwise private model. And please help me with making some public model with some description, of course, so everyone can use it and learn about NSEAM using your models. Okay, I already made the model and I'm gonna open up this model. So as you can see, we have a map here, and it looks like different from the GUI is different from the other software that you may know, or the modeling software that you may know. In order to start modeling, we need to create a container. Container is a polygon that we add to the map. There are two ways to make a container. One is by just drawing tools like this one. I'm going to make a container for part of the EU now. So assume that we have a project about energy at the Europe level. So just by clicking, selecting the polygon and clicking on the map, you can create a polygon. And to unselect the drawing tool, you have to click on this hand icon. So this is the first way of adding polygon. Let's add another, for instance, link here or another here. So we have a three option for having container, three types of option. One is the container, one is the polygon, line, and node. Okay, another way of adding container to the model is to importing the GeoJSON file. And if you have a shape file, you have to, or other type of the geospatial files, you have to change it to GeoJSON file. We have to add a new layer here. Every layer has some container. Let me describe it here. At the beginning, we have a drawing layer here, so you can draw something here. If you wanted to add the GeoJSON file, you have to add another layer. That's not a drawing. It's based on the GeoJSON file that you selected. As you can see, we already have a draw layer here. And we add some container to it, and I'm going to add a new EU layer, and I'm going to choose the EU GeoJSON file. Okay, the properties name here is, in the GeoJSON file that I have, there are some fields. For instance, I don't know, population, Wikipedia, I don't know, and then it's just like the admin tree, if I can find it here. Okay, yeah, admin tree at the ADM0_A3. So it's the abbreviation of the name of every country of EU. So we just put the name of this field here. So the software gonna look at this field and assign the name to the container. Just by clicking the import, as you can see, the progress bar here works. So we should see great. We have an EU container. That EU has some countries, so we have a multiple container at the layer of the EU. So let me delete this one, this polygon that we already created. So okay, we do have some layer here. We do have some container here. Okay, let me stop. Let me say something about how we can model. If we have a container, how we can add modeling element to this container just by click right on every container and go to the show canvas. Okay, and this is the show canvas. This is the modeling canvas that you can make a model just by selecting your modeling element. We do have a tree of element. Steam model, system dynamics, stack flow dynamics, ABM models, and we do have some kind of image label and discrete event simulation model. Just by selecting each model and clicking on the canvas, on the modeling canvas, you can add your model here. I will later talk about this in more details. So every container you can see show properties as well. So it's the name of the properties, the ID and the layer ID. We do have a code, init code and function. I will discuss these things later. Okay, I think it's good for now. For this tutorial, we are gonna continue with the next tutorial about this. If you want to remove, just for the last thing that I have to say in this tutorial, you can remove the container by just using the remove menu. Okay, see you soon. Bye.